What's up, gentlemen? I'm here with a new video in 2025. I hope everyone had a safe and happy holidays. Um, if you're a recurring viewer, you know that I did touch on this in a previous video on how I want to, for the year of 2025, really hone in on my mental performance, the mental side of trading, because I feel like I've come to a crossing road where I've realized that I don't really lack the technical skills, and of course I could still sharpen those, but I see a lot of holes more in my mental game. So this is just a way of me to sort of be reflective on myself, not just in writing when I go and journal, but in video form as well, and something for me to look back on and just see how far I will be growing in the year of 2025. So pretty much, let's get started. For the first week of 2025, short week, um, I can confidently say I was on my A game. There's nothing really that I can look back on and really be like, wasn't happy about it. Uh, I was very relaxed, super decisive in terms of the trades that I took. Felt confident. Thankfully, I paid attention to no outside noise. I have actually, for the second half of 2024 too, actually, I've been really good on the fact of just not opening up social media until after I take trades, just so that while I'm taking my trades, while I'm scanning this and that, I am not really paying attention to outside noise, so I can really hone in on my analysis in the charts. And I'm also happy to say that I followed my process to the T this week in terms of some positions that I'm already holding. Like, for example, MBST. I was holding QUBT, but I sold even though I sold on this day here. Just following my system. You know, I could have sold, panic sold on this day here, sold on one of these days, one of these days, one of these days, but, you know, I really followed my system to the T, and yeah, we're happy for that. So, so the two trades that I took this week so far to kick off the 2025 season, 2025 year, are CRNC and USD. So just a quick thought process behind this trade. Um, for my gap scanner, pre-market gap scanner, I actually found this trade. I've actually been trying to long this. I longed it, which I talked about in one of my previous videos, on this day here. And then I also longed it on this day here. Obviously, I lost money both times, but nevertheless, we ended up taking it this day here on some sort of NVIDIA partnership. Scapped up 34%. We took, I believe, the 1 minute opening range highs, but we didn't take it right off the rip. We took it, sorry, feeling a little under the weather. I don't know if I said that already, but excuse my coughing, or please excuse my coughing and my voice. But we took it, I believe we took it right here on this exact candle. I just wanted to see how we were holding VWAP. Of course, as soon as I entered, we undercut VWAP, and then we reclaim, and we end up ripping for the rest of the day, pretty much. But yeah, pretty good trade. I'm actually really happy that while this, I mean, although it didn't really dip that much, as you could see, uh, it was a little shaky on the 1 minute. I'm glad I didn't have a weak hand, pull out for whatever the case may be, or move my stop up impulsively. I kept my stop at low a day, and yeah, pretty awesome execution there. And hopefully this is a big winner. I mean, it already is a big winner. We locked in some profits. We sold our original stop loss. Second trade is USD. Feel pretty good about this one as well. Took this on the 5 minute uh, opening range break. Sorry. The reason why I took this was because I really like the look of NVIDIA. And as you can see, Nvidia popped off today or on Friday, and then I really like the look of AVGO. This could go more sideways, but I wouldn't be surprised if it ends up going sooner. It's showing pretty good RS or relative strength while the market was pulling back during this period right here. And yeah, feel pretty good about this one. I'm kind of sized in pretty heavy. I have like almost half of my account in this, which isn't necessarily a bad thing because my risk is still 1% of my account. But yeah, pretty solid week, pretty solid first week of 2025. Like I said, I can confidently walk away from this week and say that I'm on my A game, and I will, you know, obviously attempt to be continuing to do so. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I will catch you guys next week, assuming I do take any trades or I make any improvements or mistakes to do some further reflection. So yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.